This is an excerpt from Friendship with the Gods, and it is from beloved god Pelleur, who is the guardian of the threefold flame in the center of the earth and its civilization, and he is the divine complement of beloved Virgo, who is the goddess of the earth, Mother Earth. And he says, "Beloved Virgo, beloved ladies and gentlemen here assembled, I am Pelleur, the actual power which holds the earth in her place in the solar system. Come now from lethargy into light, and understand that the very earth herself, even as her axis is bended, would not remain, nor would the souls belonging to this planet remain on this small globe if it were not for the cohesive power of my love, which science chooses to call the gravity pull of the earth. Think on it. When you place your feet one before the other on an appointed task, human or divine, if there was no cohesive power, which is the power of love divine, beneath your feet, you would sail into outer space. Even in the process of walking, you can be grateful for that cohesive power which we maintain in the very center of the earth, where the masculine and the feminine rays of beloved Himalaya and beloved Meru join, and where the great spirit of cosmic Christ peace serves with me constantly, holding the substance of the earth and radiating from its center to its periphery the love and the light of our beings. That love is the actual substance on which you stand. It is the substance which makes up the chairs upon which you are seated. It is that love which holds all beings who belong to this evolution and have been accepted by this evolution in the orbit of the earth. It is that love which has accepted again, and again the excrement of human life, and through kindness transmuted it into purity and perfection. Beloved Virgo speaks of the mischievous nature of the gnomes, which I can confirm, but where else is his joy, living as he does for the most part under the surface of the earth, and performing those tasks of preparation for every season of the year to bring the harvest? Performing those tasks of transmutation, think on it. Their service is not one of complete and absolute joy, but it shall so become. They have causal bodies too, miniature ones. Every gnome, sylph, undine, and salamander has a little band of light, which is its own record for the good which it has done throughout the centuries of being. That record will, as in the case of humankind, be read when the greater positions of trust and authority in the elemental kingdom are open. There will be those always who are ready to fill them. Thus we represent, as do all those who have preceded us, the power of contraction and expansion. The earth breathes, you know, and through its many pores comes the pink light from its center. When the earth does not breathe, you witness a certain portion, if not in person at least, in picturization, where great destruction was done. The earth for the time did not breathe there. And what have you? Desert sands upon which nothing can grow, or barren swamps. All that is in the process of redemption. Now take your own bodies. Would you care to have 10 billion people utilize your own physical body as they desire for 24 hours? I think not. Then think how we, the directors of the elements, together with our own kingdoms, feel when we have given our very body's life in patience to have them so imperfectly used. It is not the part of kindness nor of wisdom. I am strong in my endeavor to convey to you the power which lies within cooperation with the directors of the elements now, and then should there arise an occasion where individuals or any living thing requires assistance, your being our God friends could give and will give that calming balance, peace and understanding, even though you may not have to speak a word. It is in the now, today, that we ask that peace be created between you and the beings of nature. This is an address by beloved Lady Virgo, Mother Earth, the divine complement of Lord Pelleur. She says, "Blessed and beloved, you who are my guests upon this earth, I thank you for assisting in the purification of this planet. Now eons have passed since first you came to me from distant stars and enjoyed the pleasure of the sweet earth, every electron of which is made up of my own electronic body. Every electron which has been temporarily despoiled shall be returned in this era and age to the glory of the ascended Master Saint Germain, and you serving upon this earth to that purity and perfection and protection again. It has been my joy to be the nourishment, through the energies of my being, of every harvest you have known. It has been my joy to be the platform upon which your blessed feet have stood, as well as that of the glorious ascended Master Jesus and the beloved Buddha's feet, who is now the Lord of the world. Those imprints yet remain upon the breast of the substance of this earth. We too have been patient, I think you will agree, with not only those who have loved us and who have enjoyed serving with us, but also with those who have taken our life and used it to their own personal advantage, not blessing any part of life with their gifts. The vibratory action of our patience is stepped down into our element, just as you channel from your causal bodies the gifts and powers into your Holy Christ flame. Do we channel into the gnomes and all those in our element that patience which sustains their service, and to bless forever the opportunity given, even by a recalcitrant mankind, to serve them, for they grow thereby. I think of all the smaller beings, the most mischievous are the gnomes that are not on the ascendery, but who are engaged in mirroring some of the distortions seen around them, and some little ones on occasion have been called before us to be reprimanded. It would be wise indeed if you, in any case regarding the salamanders, the sylphs, the gnomes, or the undines, would ask us to help you to bless them and to hold them in their perfect place as co-workers with you, for this is our reason for being. You do not always know how much elemental life might be playing games with you, so to speak, therefore causing you unnecessary discomfort. But you can make the call to us, and we in turn will see that those elements of the most constructive type and nature are the servants of your life streams. We will remove and place in schools for re-education those who have gotten out of line. We do that anyway, but with your conscious understanding of it and calls to us and the directors of these beings, we can give you assistance. There is in you a lot of the earth. Of the earth is an earthly expression. Well, that means there is in you a great deal of myself, and as we accelerate the vibratory action of the entire planet, that substance of earth which is within you that is good will accelerate with me and become part of the light of the world. Therefore I ask you to bless the landed surface of the earth and the gnomes who are within it, and be so grateful indeed for all beings who, for the most part unseen, serve not only around you, but make up the very structure of your physical vehicles. Time after time after time, as you take embodiment, those little beings, at the close of this embodiment, through the power of transmutation, through the gift of the beloved Serapis Bey, and the brotherhood at Luxor, and the great ascended Master Saint Germain, and the violet flame shall be purified, and return to the sun, and form then a part of the glory of your causal body, as you work as God-free beings, never again hampered by human creation.